Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Ammi and today I am thrilled to share a successful story about how we have helped an online watch store overcome hurdles and achieve the incredible growth through the Google AdWords. If you are running the ads for your e-commerce business and feeling stuck, grab a coffee and let's dive into the details. So in terms of the client overview, our client, a stylish and affordable online watch retailer, came to us with a unique challenge. Despite offering a stunning range of timepieces for both men and women, their sales were falling short of expectations. They have struggled with the low ad visibility and high competition from established brands. To make matters more challenging, their Google AdWords campaign had minimal tracking capabilities. Without the Google Analytics or the Google Tag Manager, they could not measure key performance metrics, making it nearly impossible to optimize the campaigns effectively. So now in terms of our strategies, first is the rebuilding and the scaling. Step 1 was to actually set up the tracking and the analytics. We have started by setting the foundation, installing the Google Tag Manager and integrating Google Analytics. This step was essential for tracking actions like purchases, add to carts and the session behavior. With this data, we could accurately gauge campaign performance and refine our strategy. We have also created and optimized their feed for the Google Merchant Center, which enabled us to run effective Google Shopping campaign later on. Step 2, launching high intent search campaigns. We began with the search campaign targeting high intent keywords like affordable watches online, luxury watches for men and gift watches for women. These campaigns focused on customers actively searching for the watches. Ad copies highlighted competitive pricing, free shipping and exclusive designs to drive more clicks. To maximize the impact, we have used an ad extension like the site links for the categories men's watches, women's watches and the callouts to promote the limited time discounts. Step 3, introducing the Google Shopping ads. Shopping ads were a game changer for the watch store. By utilizing their updated product feed, we have showcased their most popular designs in the Google Shopping network. This visual first approach made their products stand out, directly appealing to the buyers. Step 4 was to optimizing the bidding and audience targeting. We have started with the manual CPC bidding to keep cost in check and gradually transition to the target ROAS bidding as performance data rolled in. Audience targeting played a crucial role. We have segmented the customers by demographic interest and the purchase intent, focusing on the segments like the young professionals, gift shoppers and the style conscious buyers. This helped us refine our messaging and maximize the conversions that we are getting. Step 5, that is the Performance Max campaign. To expand reach, we have leveraged the Performance Max campaigns. These campaigns showcased products across Google properties like the YouTube, Gmail and display. We ran two types of PMax campaigns. First is the creative based campaigns with the visuals, headlines and the lifestyle videos showing the watches in the real-time scenarios. Product based campaign including directly from the Merchant Center feed, targeting shoppers in the Google Shopping tab. Step 6, that is the remarketing campaigns. Remarketing was a key piece of the puzzle. We have targeted the users who had browsed the website but left without purchasing. These ads featured their favorite styles paired with exclusive discount codes to incentivize the conversions. So after 3 months of implementation and optimization, monthly sales increased by 45% and we have generated around 43,000 in terms of monthly sales with the ROAS of 5.2, exceeding the client's expectations. Shopping ads delivered the highest returns, accounting for 60% of the total sales. Remarketing campaigns converted 20% of the previous visitors into the paying customers. So now in terms of the conclusion, this case study proves that with the right data-driven approach and the strategic execution, even a competitive market can be conquered. Whether you are launching a new campaign or reviving a struggling account, the right strategy can turn things around. So, if you are facing the challenges with your Google AdWords campaign, reach out to us via WhatsApp or visit our website. Share your website and the budget, and we will craft a tailored strategy to help you grow. Also, if you have the campaigns running, then you can contact us for the free audit on the WhatsApp as well. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more inspiring success stories. Thank you for watching the video.